Fixing Pubg audio problems iOS is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, make sure that your device's volume is turned up and not muted. After that, check the mute switch on the side of your device to ensure it's not activated. Verify that Pubg's in-game audio settings are not muted or set to low volume. Close Pubg completely by swiping it away from the recent apps menu. Restart the game and see if the audio issue persists. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary audio glitches. Next, restart your iOS device to refresh its system processes and settings. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears, then slide to power off. Once powered off, press the power button again to turn it back on. Also, ensure that you have the latest version of Pubg installed from the App Store. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, including audio issues. Now, access your device's settings and then navigate to sounds and haptics. Make sure that the ringer and alert volume slider are turned up. Check the selected audio output device and ensure it's connected properly. In Pubg, go to Settings and click Audio. Reset the audio settings to default and then adjust them according to your preference. Sometimes, customized audio settings can cause unexpected issues.